Welcome to Southeastern TV. In this video, we are here to give you some top wow facts of events that took place in Nigerian-Biafran Civil War from 1964 to 1970, which no one has ever told you before. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and also hit the notification bell for more videos from us. Did you know that okporoko stockfish saved many children from death during and after the war? Its protein, iron, and oil components killed kwashiorkor, suffered by many children at that time. Thanks to the International Red Cross who brought them from Norway, they played a vital role in saving of Biafrans from hunger during the unrest. The heat of the war made Igbo people in Rivers to deny being Igbo. They changed their names from Umuokoro to Rumuokoro. Many groups in Akwa Ibom, Benue, Cross River fought the Igbo people to prove that they were not part of the secessionists. Doctors Without Borders, DWB, was founded by 13 French doctors plus journalists who, after their experience aiding Biafrans during the Civil War, felt inspired to form the organization. John Winston Lennon of the Beatles musical group returned his MBE medal to Queen Elizabeth II in protest against UK support in the Nigeria-Biafra War. Bruce Mayrock, a 20-year-old Columbia University student, on May 30th, 1969, set himself ablaze in front of United Nations building in America to protest the Biafran killings. Dr. Akano Ibiam dropped his English name Francis and also returned his knighthood to Queen Elizabeth II in protest against Britain's involvement in the Nigeria-Biafran Civil War. And Steve Jobs renounced his Christian faith to protest the same cause. Line Garrison, a Canadian pilot, was a Biafran war heroic pilot who flew most of the toughest missions to neutralize the federal government's navy. He is known for his often repeated comment, "If it has fuel and noise, I can fly it." Obafemi Awolowo masterminded the food as a weapon of war. He said, "We should not feed our enemies fat, so they may not rise to fight us again." Bioko in Equatorial Guinea is today mostly occupied by more than 60,000 Igbo people who heavily fled for safety during the war. Most of them are the Aro people. Retired Lieutenant Fola Oyewole, Victor Banjo, a Yoruba Nigerian military officer, like many others, fought on the side of Biafra. He took a bold stand against the massacre.